2000, what, 15? Something like that, 2015, 2016. But I'm here, I'm just here for 9/11. It's the 9th right now. So I'll be here for the 10th, the 11th, and I'm leaving out on the 12th, which is a Friday. Now, I just got checked in the hotel. I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel right now. I just checked in, so now I'm on a race. I'm on the run. No, I'm not really running because I don't want to sweat, but I gotta get to the top of the rock to get to the epic view, the picturesque view that you all see on Google Images of New York City. So I gotta get up there. I have an express pass, so I have to wait in all the lines and stuff, but I want to get there. I want to get up there before sunset, get a good spot, set up my little tripod, and take some shots. But yeah, rush hour. Here is the view. Let's check it out. Crazy. These are some brand new buildings I haven't seen before. There is the beams of the Twin Towers right there. The monument. I guess they're testing them out right now. Alright guys, this is the view at night. Everyone's almost gone, going home. This is the uptown view. Some of the tallest buildings in the city or in the country. There's Central Park right there, and then they turn on the beams, Twin Towers, right there. They're testing them out for 9/11. Pretty crazy right there. In Times Square. Everybody's over here. It's crazy.
Yo, don't go back to the phone.
There it is, right there. Alright guys, I'm walking right now. I just looked up the best chicken parmesan sub in the area, and I think I found it. It's called what is it called? Roma's Pizza. What the hell is it called? It's called Roma Pizza and Restaurant. It's coming up right here. They close at like 10 or 11. It's kind of crazy how every single store and every single restaurant is still open right now, and it's almost 10 o'clock. Where in California or Los Angeles, everything just closes. Chicago, everything closes down at like 8, 9. But here, in New York City, everything's still open. Truly, the city that never sleeps. All these souvenir stores, all these restaurants, all these shops and markets and stuff still open. Alright, then we'll get this delicious chicken parmesan sub. Where the hell is it? Roma's Pizzeria. Oh, there it is. Alright, y'all. Let's see how this chicken parm sub is. See if it's worth it. Only like 13 bucks. See how it looks. Does it pass the look test? Does it pass the presentation test? I can't even get it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Alright, let me eat it. Tell you how it is after.
Many hours later.
Good morning. Slept late today. I'm still on California time. It's like 10 a.m. It's like 10:30. I gotta make my way to the subway and head down to the World Trade Center. I'm gonna go to the 9/11 memorial today. Tomorrow is 9/11, so I heard that this museum is overwhelming and emotional. Then I'm gonna meet my buddy down there, Eric, who lives in Brooklyn. We're gonna walk around, eat some food, check out some places. Just towards me. Some guy just tried to get my video. He thought the camera was pointing that way, and it was actually pointing towards me. But anyways, gotta get to this subway, hop on. Takes about 30 minutes to get down there. It's only $3 to get there too, instead of taking a Lyft or whatever. So, pretty good deal, and it's faster with a subway. Lyft will probably take an hour because traffic is crazy right now. Look at this traffic. But I gotta head in right through there. Alright, we're at the World Trade Center. I'm heading inside the Oculus. That's the brand new, like mall, crazy looking thing, right across the street from the World Trade Center. Alright, here's what it looks like from the outside. It's pretty crazy, pretty weird looking. A lot of New Yorkers say they don't like how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool, the architecture, and it's all made of marble too, which is really cool. But I'm about to go get a breakfast sandwich. I've seen these two people eating some a bagel breakfast or something, breakfast bagel sandwich, and it looked delicious, so I'm gonna go find one because I'm starving. It's already 11:30 almost, and my 9/11 slot time is at 12 p.m. So probably just be able to make it. I think. Oh my God, I love these. I love these little bodegas. You don't get these just random restaurants in the middle of the city. Delicious. Delicious. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel. So this color-filled building right here, there's actually supposed to be another World Trade Center going right there. If you didn't know, there is like there's like a bunch of, there's like 6 World Trade Centers. So you got the one World Trade Center, the big tower. There's another one to the right. There's another one to the left. And I think there's like 1 or 2 more that's supposed to go up. But obviously they haven't really done anything over here except make it look nice, because that's a whole construction site. Inside there is a whole construction site. But I gotta go find this museum. I think it's right there. And yeah, there it is right there, the 9/11 National Museum. All right, let's get in there. And then the memorial right here where the old Twin Towers used to be. The big holes in the ground with all the names. I've only seen it once. But we can go over there and see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure there's more presence of police officers over here just because it's so close to the date. And you never know. You never know what could happen. All right. Finally in. It took like 40 minutes to get in, to stand in line. Crazy, but here we are. 9/11 Museum. I'm not going to do too much talking, just going to show it. You might get a little bit of talking from me here and there, but let's go.
We all together witnessed the second plane hit the building. Everybody started calling home.
Came from Boston. Two of them came from Boston.
And I wanted to gather all of this together so I could have them safe with me. New York. Yeah, I can see those tremendous ball slopes just streaming across the sky. I've never seen this plane from the second plane live and
These are all the box columns. That's great. Piece of radio antenna.
Z tej strony. O, zobacz tą antenę aktywną. Że to jest segment radia, a telewizja.
Real.